Inside modern smart farms. How AI is transforming agriculture. Farms today look very different from those of the past. Artificial intelligence, drones, sensors, and autonomous machines are transforming agriculture into one of the most advanced industries on Earth. Modern smart farms can analyze soil conditions, predict crop diseases, control irrigation automatically, and even harvest crops using robots. But how does a smart farm actually operate from start to finish? Let's explore the complete journey of modern agriculture, from preparing the land all the way to food reaching the marketplace. 1. Land preparation. The farming process begins with land preparation. Instead of relying solely on manual labor, modern farms use GPS-guided tractors and AI-assisted machinery to prepare fields with remarkable precision. These machines plow, level, and condition the soil while minimizing unnecessary disturbance. Using terrain data and soil analysis, smart systems ensure the land is optimally prepared for maximum crop productivity. 2. Soil testing and planning. Next comes soil testing and farm planning. Sensors placed throughout the field collect critical information such as nutrient levels, soil pH, moisture content, soil temperature. Artificial intelligence analyzes this data to create detailed field maps and planting strategies. With this information, farmers can determine which crops will grow best, where fertilizer is needed, how irrigation should be managed. This data-driven planning helps increase productivity while reducing waste and environmental impact. 3. Seed selection and seed treatment. Choosing the right seeds is essential for a successful harvest. Modern agriculture uses biotechnology and advanced breeding techniques to develop crops with improved traits such as pest resistance, drought tolerance, higher yields. Before planting, seeds are often treated with protective coatings that shield young plants from pests and diseases during early growth. AI systems can also analyze climate patterns and soil conditions to recommend the most suitable seed varieties for each farm. 4. Sowing and planting. Once the seeds are ready, planting begins. Autonomous tractors and precision seed planters place each seed at the ideal depth and spacing. AI-controlled systems manage planting depth, seed spacing, row alignment. This ensures every plant receives the optimal access to nutrients, sunlight, and water needed for healthy growth. 5. Irrigation and water management. Water is one of the most valuable resources in agriculture. Smart irrigation systems use soil moisture sensors, weather forecasts, and AI analysis to determine exactly when and how much water crops need. Common technologies include drip irrigation, smart sprinklers, automated pivot irrigation systems. These systems deliver water directly to plant roots, dramatically reducing waste while conserving water resources. 6. Fertilization and nutrient management. Healthy crops require the right nutrients. AI-powered platforms analyze soil data and plant growth stages to calculate precise fertilizer requirements. Precision agriculture equipment then applies nutrients only where they are needed. Instead of fertilizing entire fields, farms can treat specific zones, improving crop health while reducing environmental pollution. 7. Weed management. Weeds compete with crops for nutrients, water, and sunlight. Modern farms now use computer vision technology to identify weeds among crops. Autonomous robots or precision sprayers remove weeds with incredible accuracy. This targeted approach significantly reduces the need for chemical herbicides. 8. Pest and disease control. Pests and diseases can destroy crops if not detected early. Smart farms monitor crops using drones, satellite imagery, and AI analysis to identify early signs of stress. These technologies can detect pest infestations, fungal infections, nutrient deficiencies. Farmers can then apply treatments only to affected areas, improving crop protection while minimizing chemical usage. 9. Crop growth management. Throughout the growing season, farmers continuously monitor crop development. AI platforms analyze data from weather forecasts, drone imagery, satellite monitoring, soil sensors. This information allows farmers to adjust irrigation, fertilization, and crop management strategies in real time. The goal is to maintain optimal growing conditions throughout the entire season. 10. Harvesting. When crops reach maturity, harvesting begins. Modern farms use advanced harvesting machines that can collect, clean, and separate crops efficiently. AI systems also help determine the ideal time to harvest, ensuring maximum crop quality and yield. 11. Post-harvest handling. After harvesting, crops must be processed carefully to maintain quality. Post-harvest steps may include cleaning, sorting, drying, grading. Automated systems ensure products meet strict quality standards before storage or distribution. 12. Storage. Proper storage is essential to prevent spoilage. Smart storage facilities monitor temperature, humidity, airflow. Climate-controlled systems help preserve crops safely until they are ready for transportation. 13. Transportation. Once stored, crops move through complex agricultural supply chains. Digital logistics platforms track shipments and optimize routes, ensuring food moves efficiently from farms to processing centers and markets. 14. Marketing and selling. Farmers sell their products through several channels, including food processors, wholesalers, supermarkets, international export markets. Online agricultural marketplaces now allow farmers to monitor real-time prices and demand, helping them make smarter selling decisions. 15. Record keeping and evaluation. The final step in modern farming is data analysis and evaluation. Farm management software tracks crop yields, resource usage, production costs, market performance. Artificial intelligence analyzes this information to improve future farming strategies. Over time, this continuous learning process makes farms more productive and sustainable. Conclusion. Modern smart farms combine agriculture, technology, and data science to produce food more efficiently than ever before. From land preparation and planting to AI-powered crop monitoring to global food distribution, every step in the agricultural system is becoming smarter. As technology continues to evolve, the farms of the future may become fully autonomous ecosystems capable of feeding billions of people worldwide. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share for more videos explaining the systems that power our modern world.